Hey everyone, so in today's video I want to ask you this one question. Who are you being held accountable to? You know, every single person that I know that is an absolute top performer, you know, whether they're self-employed or they are an entrepreneur and they're working for themselves, one of the key differences between the people that absolutely have massive amounts of success versus the ones that are always literally scrolling along. They're scrolling always on social media, seeing what everyone else is doing, or they're scrolling and strolling away on their own life. Literally, like they don't have any lead generation systems that gives them predictable leads. They don't have any automated sales processes. They're relying on organic or referral word of mouth business. Like they're just performing at a very different level, and I call them the 6 to 7 figure golden handcuffs, right? So when someone's making 6 figures or 7 figures, they're usually stuck in this golden handcuff. Like they have to work more to make more money, and to elevate to the next level, what I call, you know, being a real entrepreneur, hitting that real 8-figure level, because that's where you have to really develop into a new character. And as someone who's generated multiple 8 figures before the age of 30, I had to go through this process, right? And one of the keys that I found is being held accountable. You know, one of the reasons why I invest so much money with people like Dan Sullivan from Strategic Coach, Dan Pena, and all sorts of other mentors and experts around the world is because I want to always hold myself to a higher level of accountability. And what I find is when you are held accountable, that's number one. And number two, you do not want to disappoint that mentor or that friend or that family member or that team member. Your results is just unmatched, right? Like there's two types of people. One, they just scroll along in life and in their business, and the other, they are held massively accountable. And you can find these people in high-level mastermind groups. You can find these people, and when you talk to them, you know, they'll tell you, hey, I'm gonna get this done. And next time you talk to them, it's like they've achieved 5 times more. And that is the power of accountability. One of the other things that has really helped myself, and I'd recommend that you do, is have some public accountability. So for me, you know, I have a great group of clients, I have a great group of prospects, I have a great team, around 15 members-ish or so. And so I will literally tell them, hey, I'm gonna get this done. And then I'll go to one of my mentors and I'll say, hey, this is what I'm expecting to do this quarter, next quarter, over the next 12, 18 months. And so the act of just publicly saying it really boosts my desire and my capabilities to go out and achieve, right? And so ask yourself this question. When was the last time you set out this big, massive goal and you didn't achieve it and you couldn't point the finger at why you couldn't achieve it? Because let's be honest, in today's day and age, you can get the skills to learn anything, or you can go and hire someone that has the skills to get it done, right? So if those two things are true, then the bottleneck would be you, right? And if the bottleneck is you, okay, so how do we get you to perform better? How do we get you to perform at a much higher level than what you're used to? And again, it's public accountability. That's number one, public accountability, and making sure that you surround yourself with a group of peers and mentors that you do not want to disappoint. Anyway, I gotta roll. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification thing. Okay, I'm really trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.